Hello friends, in this video we'll see the judiciary and the court system in Cyprus. Supreme Constitutional Court. There are 3 judges. The court would be composed of 1 Greek judge, 1 Turkish judge, 1 neutral judge. The neutral judge shall not be the citizen of Republic of Cyprus or Kingdom of Greece or Republic of Turkey or the United Kingdom and the colonies. The neutral judge shall be the president of the court. President of the court shall be appointed for the period of 6 years. The president and other judges of this court would be appointed from the lawyers of high professional and moral standard. The age of retirement of Greek and Turkish judge is 68 years. The Greek and Turkish judge of this court may be dismissed on the ground of misconduct. Now what this court does? This court shall make rules of court for regulating the practice and procedure of the court to exercise jurisdiction conferred upon it by the Constitution. This court shall have exclusive jurisdiction to adjudicate on all matters provided in the Constitution. This court has jurisdiction to decide matter relating to any conflict or contest of power between House of Representatives and the communal chamber. Then we have High Court. This court is composed as follows: 2 Greek judges, 1 Turkish judge, 1 neutral judge. Again, the neutral judge shall not be the citizen of Republic of Cyprus, Kingdom of Greece, Republic of Turkey or the United Kingdom and the colonies. Neutral judge shall be the president of the court. The president of the court shall be appointed for a period of 6 years. President and other judges of this court are appointed from the lawyers of high professional and moral standards. The age of retirement of Greek and Turkish judge is 68 years. President and other judges of this court shall be appointed jointly by the president and the vice president of the Republic of Cyprus. Now what this court does? This court is the highest appellate court in the Republic of Cyprus. This court can hear all appeals from any court other than Supreme Constitutional Court. This court can determine the composition of the court in which there is a civil case where the plaintiff and the defendant belong to different communities. This court can determine composition of the court in which there is a criminal case where the accused and the injured party belong to different communities. Then we have Supreme Court. This court is composed of 13 judges. The judge of this court are appointed by the President of the Republic of Cyprus. The criteria for being appointed to this court is that the person must be a jurist of high professional and moral level. One of the judge acts as the president of this court. This court hears all the appeals. This court has exclusive jurisdiction for maritime disputes election disputes, and issues of national security. Then there are district courts, assize courts, family courts, rent control courts, administrative court, military court, and industrial disputes tribunal. So friend, this was the judiciary and the court system which was there and which is there in the Republic of Cyprus. In our next video, we will see what are the other features which are there in the constitution of Cyprus. Thank you.